I sat within the valley green, I sat with my true love. My sad heart strove the two between, the old love and the new love. The old for her, the new, that made me think of Ireland dearly, while the soft wind blew down the glade and shook the golden barley. 'Twas hard the woeful words to frame, to break the ties that bound us, but harder still to bear the shame of foreign chains around us. And so I said to mountain glen, I'll meet at morning early, and I'll join the bold united men, while soft winds shook the barley. 'Twas sad I kissed away her tears, my fond arm round her flinging, when a foeman's shot burst on our ears, from out the wild woods ringing. A bullet pierced my true love's side, in life's young spring so early, and on my breast in blood she died, while soft winds shook the barley. But blood for blood without remorse, I've ta'en an outlet hollow, I've lain my true love's clay-like corpse, where I full soon must follow. Around her grave I've wandered drear, noon, night, and morning early, with breaking heart whene'er I hear the wind that shakes the barley.